Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Mariska Rimadona from PBI 4. I would like to explain the material in chapter 7 about inflections and paradigm. So, in this chapter, I will discuss 4 parts. The first one is inflections and derivations, and the second is paradigm. Next is about suppletions and stem classes, and the last is syncretism. Okay, so inflections and derivations. Defining the process between inflections and derivations has long been a problem. Synthetic relevance includes such factors as agreement and government. Inflection morphology is what is relevant to syntax. And then, what is paradigms? A paradigm is a set of all inflectionally related forms a single lexeme. The number of forms in a paradigm is generally constant for each syntactic class about noun, verb, and so on in a given language, and the paradigm is defined by a relatively small number of morphological features. Here is the example of inflections and paradigms from noun cat and adjective long. Noun cats, longer is an adjective. The verb be, sing, have, hate, and walk. Next, suppletions and stem classes. Inflectional system frequently exhibit suppletions to allomorph with identical meaning and not related by phonological rules that appear in distinct contexts. Next, the example of stem classes from inflections and paradigm: present, future, perfect, and imperfect. For example, am, and to be am. Next is to stem of vero. Verb 1, perfect negative and perfect positive. Next, the plural is formed by a process that shifts stress to the word final syllable, a process which can be described by rule. The example in number 7, and the final system class from plurals by lengthening the second vowel, a process that can be symbolized as in number 8. Next, about syncretism. Syncretism occurs when a single form expresses two or more meanings that from a natural class in terms of morphological features. Consider the present and imperfect. Here is the example in number 9. Present and imperfect, singular, dual, and plural. Next, future disjunctions. First singular and third plural. In table number 11, there is a box drawn around the syncretisms. Okay, so in chapter 3, and it's repeated here as number 11 with boxes drawn around the syncretisms. Here is the example. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.